I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Open the box and remove the SoundLink Micro and the cable first. Inspect the speaker and confirm the included micro USB cable is present. Place the speaker on a dry surface before charging to protect its IPX7 waterproof rating. Connect the micro USB cable to the port and then to a USB power source. Charge until the LED indicates full, which can take about 6 hours on a depleted battery. Keep the speaker away from heat while charging to preserve battery life. Power on the speaker by pressing the power button until you hear a tone. Press and hold the Bluetooth button until the voice prompt says ready to pair. On your phone, open Bluetooth settings and select Bose SoundLink Micro from the device list. When connected, the voice prompt confirms pairing and the LED will stop flashing. The speaker will auto-reconnect to the last paired device when it is in range. Use the phone's volume and the speaker's top buttons to adjust sound and answer calls. Attach the integrated silicone strap to backpacks or handlebars for secure portability. Use the top controls to play, pause, skip tracks, and answer hands-free calls while on the go. Rinse the speaker with fresh water after exposure to salt water to protect the seals. Avoid submerging the charging port cap while handling or cleaning the speaker. If the speaker becomes unresponsive, perform a reset by holding power and Bluetooth buttons together for 16 seconds. Store the unit in a cool, dry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.